Hello guys, hope you all good. So today we're going to see a use reducer hook in React.js. So we are continuing with session of React.js. So now we are in past a few sessions we started seeing the hook, different type of hooks. So last session we saw like use state. If you not saw that how that works, please check out my previous video which is added in the playlist of React.js. Okay, so now we'll discuss the use reducer. So what is the use reducer? So use reducer works like the similar of use state, but you can see the syntax of use state. This is the basic syntax. So use state it accepts the parameter called state and dispatch. State, as we discussed early, for the use state. So it's use state. It accepts the variable and the action which need to be taken. For example, this action which will helps you to update your state. So basically that is what use state did. But if you see the use reducer, so it accept the state and it there is a method called dispatch. With help of the dispatch we can dispatch the state to update it. Okay, so if you see the use reducer, it accept the first the function which is called a reducer. So reducer, what is the default input accept type is state and the action. State is the current state. State holds all your objects, and then the action. So action is what action you need to take. Okay, basically that is what the reducer function will do. And then it will accept the initial argument. So here you can define all your parameters which are default you can define. So that can be here, and the initial any method which need to be do, so that can be done. So what is the advantage of use reducer? You no need to have a multiple use state. For example, I want to display one more text. For example, okay, something called show text. Okay, set so toggle. Okay, just we use toggle. So text, so default true. Okay, okay, show me. Okay, then this on click function we can set. Okay, so text. Okay, so let's visit UI. See every increment, so it's get toggled, right? So this is what happening with the use state. So use state we can able to declare individually, and we can have a function which helps you to uh, okay, this is again this is a kind of a dispatch concepts where it will help you to update. So now we will going to redefine with help of the use reducer. So before going to do that, just we'll look the one time. So this is the syntax. So use reducer. Okay, state and the dispatch. Here we need to set the initial, so we don't but initial argument. Okay, so let's go and define that constant. So here counter, so initial value is 0, then show text, default is true. Okay, cool. So now initial, next we'll go on define. Okay, okay, cool. So now next go on to create the reducer. So as I said, like reducer will accept the two argument. One is state, then action. Okay, okay, cool. So now instead of using something like that, we going to remove this. Okay, before removing, let's change the parameter here how we are displaying. Instead of counter, we are calling a state dot show text state. Okay, now instead of calling the set counter method, what we going to do here is we calling a dispatch. Okay, a dispatch increment. Okay, okay. So here, as we said, dispatch will call the action. So we have a parameter called action dot type equal to increment, then do some logic over here. So here I going to create one switch statement. So choose switch action. If it is a case increment, then return to +1. Cool. And then default return state. Okay. Then there is another one thing which we are planning to do is okay. So another one thing we are planning is show and hide the text as well, right? So for this, we'll define one more something called toggle show text. Okay. So case toggle show text, then show text, and yeah, state, right? State dot text dot. Okay, cool. So now we can remove this method. Okay, so my reducer function is ready now. So on click, so it will going to call me the dispatch. Okay, cool. Let's go and check the browser. Okay, there was an issue because uh, we supposed to use the use reducer instead of use state. Still we have error. Okay, then show text, we need to define the default whatever there in the state. So state dot show text. Okay, cool. So counter also we need to state dot counter. Why? Because when I try to do the toggle, it won't get the latest state. So we should update for the parameters. Okay, cool. Let okay. Okay, still we have an issue. Yep, dispatch also we update the syntax wrongly. Okay, cool. Yeah, still one error is there, which is counter is not defined, so text is not defined. Okay, cool. Hmm. Okay, okay, got it. So actually, the initial argument should be a function. So I instead of doing the function call, I just did the expression. So that is the reason. So let's go on quickly change that. Okay, cool. So the same compiled successfully. Let's go and visit quickly. Okay, cool. So let's start doing the increment. Okay, so text is fine, but it's saying it's not a number. Let's quickly check what is the issue. Yeah, I did wrong. State dot counter, which is okay, cool. So now let's refresh the page. Okay, so increment 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, cool. So quickly I summarize. So instead of use state, we changed the function called use reducer. With help of the use reducer, we no need to define multiple times. Suppose I have two properties for different actions, right? With counter and so text. So I no need to have a multiple state and don't need to um, do update the state by calling the multiple times. So we have a common dispatch function which helps you to based on the type what action I need to perform. Based on that, suppose I want to do increment, then it will be going to do me a increment. And if I want to toggle the show text, then it will do the toggle. So both I want to handle by on click, so I called multiple dispatch function and I asked it to do the multiple perform perform the multiple actions. So it's did and it's giving the result. So hopefully you understand. So what is the difference between use state and what is the benefit of use reducer? So next video I will come up with a new hook concepts. So please go through and try to implement and check the benefit of this. Okay, cool. Thank you.